Welcome to my YouTube channel, where we will explore the amazing world of ChatGPT. As you may already know, ChatGPT is a powerful language model created by OpenAI that can generate human-like responses to a wide range of queries and questions. But did you know that there's a convenient Chrome extension that allows you to access ChatGPT directly from your browser? In this video, I will guide you step-by-step procedure to add ChatGPT as extension. So, let's get started with how to install and set up the ChatGPT extension. So the first step is that you will need to be using Google Chrome because what we will be downloading is a Google Chrome extension. There are three little dots right here, and click on that. And go to More Tools, and in More Tools, you click on Extensions. This will bring you to the page where you find all of your current extensions. The one that you want to find is this one right here. So where do you have to search for this new extension, because you won't have that already installed on your computer? Click on the menu right here on the left side. Click on that, and then at the bottom right here, it says Open Chrome Web Store, so click on that. It will open in a new window. So once we are here, we're going to be using the search box right here in the top left corner and type in AIPRM ChatGPT. So that is the one. Click on this, and you should see this one right here is black. It's called AIPRM for ChatGPT. So once you have located the extension, you need to click on it and install it. Add it to your Chrome browser so you can start using it. Once you do, we probably ask you to log in to your OpenAI account for ChatGPT. We have to put your username and password there, and then maybe refresh or reload your ChatGPT. And once you have downloaded, this is the screen and you can scroll all the way down to the bottom right here, and you will see there are 100-prong templates on this. I wouldn't call this a marketplace, because they are all free. So you won't have to pay for anything here, at least not at this stage. But it's kind of like a library of templates. In the start of the video, you must have seen how it has write a complete book on art of investing. So you can use and design the template you want. That it's for this video. We'll see you in next video. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe to get more updates from us.